How to fix Xbox error code 0x87e50001. Hello friends, you see this error code when you try to open the YouTube app after having switched from a game to another screen on your Xbox. This occurs when the game's virtual machine has not terminated before you open YouTube, which requires some of the same resources that the game uses. Follow the steps to fix it. Method 1 is quit the game and then reopen YouTube. Press Xbox button to open the guide. Verify that the game or app you want to close is highlighted from the mini guide on the left side of the screen, and then press the menu button on your Xbox controller. Then select quit. Do this for both the games and for the YouTube app, and then reopen YouTube. If the issue still persists, restart your console. Press and hold the Xbox button in the center of your controller to open the power center and select Restart Console. Then select Restart. After restarting the console, try to open the YouTube app. This should work smoothly. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching the video.